North Carolina says it will now test all residents and workers at nursing homes. And that news comes as yet another local nursing home is facing an outbreak. The latest numbers from the state say the Hunter Woods nursing home in North Charlotte has 6 residents there with the virus. But our Mark Becker spoke with a family member of a resident there who says the number is actually much higher. And Mark, she wonders if the testing there came too late.
Yeah, Genevieve, she told me that she heard from Hunter Woods here where her brother is that they now have 33 residents with COVID-19, including her brother. And she wonders if it could have been different if he had been tested when he first got sick about 10 days ago.
You know, I don't want to get emotional. I think I'm just worried about his care.
Nicole Kennedy started to worry last week when she learned that her brother, Eric Griffin, a resident at Hunter Woods, had a fever and pneumonia. So she called the nursing home to ask if he would be tested for COVID.
She said, no, he doesn't meet the parameters. Well, what's the parameters? I don't know the parameters to this day.
Without a test, Kennedy says her brother was free to move around the nursing home in his wheelchair for a week or more. Then on Monday, the nursing home called with news that Kennedy didn't want to hear. Her brother was one of 30 residents who tested positive for COVID, and she had to wonder.
My brother was still out and around. And I'm not saying he intentionally was a part of their outbreak, but I know he had to be a contribution. I mean, that he was out. He was in his wheelchair rolling around. I talked to him.
We called Hunter Woods and left 2 messages for the administrator, but haven't heard back. Yesterday, the state announced that they'd begin testing all staff and residents in all nursing homes. But it was too late to prevent the outbreak here, and Nicole Kennedy has to wonder, what if?
If he had been tested on the 22nd when I asked, he could have possibly prevented some of the outbreak.
And Nicole Kennedy also told me that she heard today that there are 11 staff members here at Hunter Woods also positive. As for her brother, she says he's doing okay right now, seems to be handling it fairly well. His symptoms are relatively minor. Genevieve?
Yeah, you can just hear the level of concern, though, from the loved ones with residents in nursing homes. Mark, thank you.